All right, take 6. Finished up this curly maple handled cleaver at a 5160 truck spring. You can see it's got file work. This was a special order customer wanted, and I basically drew up what he wanted. You got my sheath I made. I got to buff out and finish the edges on this sheath and do some finish work on the sheath, but you got my custom maker's mark in his initial there. And this is the cleaver. He wanted a rough finish, so I gave him a rough finish. And he wanted file work down the front, down the spine. He wanted it all the way around the handle, but I stopped here. I actually should have stopped right here because this kind of digs into the pinky. I got my maker's mark right there. And I did one chop test already, and I watched the video, and I didn't like the video, and I had a jacket on that advertised for something, and I figured I'll just take that jacket off and avoid the problem, so I'll just do the video over. So this would be the second chop test, and it passed with flying colors the first one. And I'm just gonna go again here and I show you the edge. Got oil on there, and I just finished it up on the belt sander, but I have a lot of wood chips to clean up when I'm done. So if I don't have a big enough mess in here as it is, as you can see, no edge deformation. Find me a piece of paper, because here it is. Little wrinkled and tore up, but I think it'll work. Yeah. We're still good. Hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, and share. Tell me what you think. Thank you.